What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy D-Reacts, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with a banger, man. You new to D-Reacts, though? First of all, do me a favor, man. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up, man. Today, we got the 2025 Ferrari Roma. We're going to be looking at the sound of the car, interior and the exterior, man. I'm so excited, man. But let's get into the video. I don't even want to hold y'all up. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That joint look real clean. Real clean. And the black a nice touch on the car. I love black on the car. See the Ferrari logo on the front. Nice little grill. That just look like a real sleek car. Sheesh. What that Roma about? The Ferrari badge on the side of the car. Clean. I love that little emblem. The horse. This black look good. Usually, like when you see a Ferrari, you think of a red car. Like, you know, red is like the signature Ferrari car, I feel like. But that black different. LED lights, black rims. This is a clean car, y'all. Ferrari calibers, you know what I'm saying? Your yellow emblem on the tire, on the rims, I meant. The rim caps. Oh, the back shot look dual exhaust. Ah, sheesh. That's clean. That's clean, bro. That's clean, bro. I even like the rear end lights. They look real sporty, like real sportsy. Little camera underneath the trunk where you open the trunk at. Nice little bit of cargo space in the back. Nice little bit of cargo space. Nothing too crazy, but nice little bit of cargo space. You know what I'm saying? Got your tools and all that in case you need to change your tire. First aid kit. Ferrari duffel. That's where that bag go at. This is a clean car, bro. Like, the booty shot is crazy. I ain't never been thirstier for a car in my life. You hear me? Never. I'm trying to see what's under the hood. Two-door. That's a nice little touch. Oh, pop the hood on them. The interior look real clean. What's under the hood though? Damn. That looked like raw power in there. What type engine is that, y'all? Y'all know? Let me see. That joint clean, bro. I'm trying to have one of these one day. God knows. God willing, bro. We all can have one. Bro, that joint was clean under the hood. I ain't gonna cap, though. If y'all know what kind of engine that is, though, what kind of engine a Ferrari got on it? Got in it. Nice suede interior. It be giving me like that suede, like velvet vibe. I like that though. Oh, move the steering wheel in and out. Okay. Paddle shifters in the back. That's smooth. That's smooth. Let's fast forward a little bit though, yo. I want to see like more of the dash. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's go back just a tiny bit. Okay. Ferrari Roma. That looks like real futuristic, man. Whole 3D model display of your car on the dash. That's crazy. Nice little media screen in there too, right there in the middle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, I like it. I like it. Yeah. Rev it, rev it, rev it. I like it. That's so therapeutic to me, bro. Dual exhaust looks so nice, like nice touch on the car. Any car that got dual exhaust, especially a sport car, go crazy. Navigation. This joint is fully loaded, like everything. Sport mode. Change your driver comfort mode of when you driving, how you want to drive though, like, you know what I'm saying? Phone, audio, GPS, all that. How you wanna come? How you coming with it if you in this car? What you driving on sport? What you driving in? I think I like to drive in sport mode. Oh yeah, they got it on sport too. Cameras all around the car, like you can see everything. This is crazy, bro. Like cars today is so different, bro. Like it's like a video game right inside your car. Bro, people back in the day probably would have never thought they'd see this type of technology. Like this, people probably never thought this type of technology would even like advance to this level like today. Like this is wild, bro. Like it's a game inside of a car. Like it's like you got a video game in your car, bro. Like 3D model of your car right on your dashboard, bro. Touchscreen and all that, like digital and all that. Like you feel me? Niggas back in the day, bro. Like we was back in the day, we was like driving with speedometers. Like now we got digital dash. Like come on, stop playing. Like that's wild, bro. Oh, I like that little feature of your turn signal too. Like, it ain't like the little, you know what I'm saying? It's like the buttons is right on the steering wheel. Real modern lighting in the inside. Okay. The suede is OD though in the Ferrari, bro. Like the suede is, bro. The suede goes crazy, especially with the yellow aesthetic stitching in there. Yellow Ferrari horse on the heads, bro. Come on, the headrest. You know what I'm saying, got your bucket seats in the back. Per usual, it's a coupe, 2-door. Two-door, I'd rather ride solo anyway, you feel me? Oh, you can massage, bro. The seats massage you and all that too. Owner's manual. I know it gotta feel good to have one of those. If you're a Ferrari owner. A little bit of console storage, you know. Electric seat adjusters, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? I like the seats though. Seats look real sporty, man. Word? That's how it comes. You lift it up and it still just go up on its own. Let people get in the back. That's tough. This car tough though. Real clean. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing too crazy. Like crazy though, but just like a real sleek car. Every time I see Ferrari, like I think it's because of my childhood. I think of 50 Cent, bro. He always had like a Ferrari. I think that was his nickname, Ferrari F50. I wouldn't mind owning one of these, man. I ain't gonna cap. How y'all feel about it though? Comment below. The rear end go crazy. I don't know. That just look real good to me. Like I like that style. It's like a wide body too. Like, but then it go like, you know what I'm saying? It scales out as you get to the front of the car, the side of the car. Like the rear end giving though. Ferrari badge on the side. That go crazy. I like the black on it too, bro. So crazy. Like, go crazy then. Alright, y'all. So that was the video, man. A Ferrari Roma, man. 2025. That was a clean car. Real nice, sexy. You know what I'm saying? The black on it, I felt like that was a nice touch. Like I said, usually Ferrari, you think of the red Ferrari special edition color, you know what I mean? But the black, I don't know. I like the black. It looked real sleek, looked real clean. The car itself was amazing to me, like inside and out. You dig? I wouldn't mind having a Ferrari one day. How y'all feeling though? Y'all comment down below. Let me know you was rocking with the Ferrari Roma. I would definitely like to have one of those though, bro. I feel like the rear end, you know what I'm saying, looked real good. The startup sounded amazing. You know, and if y'all know, man, comment down below what kind of engine is in there. You know what I mean? Is it like a V10, a V8? You know what I mean? Turbo V8? What is it? Like bi-turbo? What? Y'all let me know, man. But I know that joint do the dash though. I know that joint got power to it. You know, anytime you see a horse on a car, you know what that mean, man. It's horses in there, man. All these horses, I mean, man, rest in peace, PNB Rock, man. But man, if you like the video, man, it's D Reacts, man. Make sure you join my channel, man. We got more car videos coming, more music videos getting reacted to. Just whatever reactions y'all want me to do, man. Y'all comment down below, man. Join the gang, though, man. God bless you. I'll see y'all next video.